Skoda is working on introducing a number of new products in the Indian market as part of its India 2.0 project. The company was recently in the news for having trademarked 4 new names, 3 of them for an SUV and the latest being for what we expect to be a new sedan. Now, Zach Hollis, brand director for Skoda Auto India, in response to a tweet, confirmed the arrival of a new sedan in the Indian market. As per his reply, Skoda will soon discontinue the Rapid, replacing it with an all-new sedan. He also mentioned that this new sedan will be part of the brand's MQB A0iN platform, which will also underpin other models in the brand's future lineup. He also confirmed that the new Skoda Rapid replacement will be introduced in the Indian market sometime by the end of 2021. The new sedan will continue to be offered with just a single TSI petrol engine as part of its new strategy for the Indian market. As mentioned before, Skoda recently trademarked a new Slavia name for the Indian market. Considering the name doesn't fit the brand's SUV nomenclature, we expect this to be the name of the new sedan replacing the Rapid. The new Skoda Sedan Slavia has been codenamed A and B and is expected to feature a host of updates and changes compared to the model it replaces. Skoda will offer a number of significant cosmetic changes both to the interiors and exteriors of the new sedan while carrying forward the brand's latest design language. In terms of mechanicals, we expect the new Skoda Sedan to carry forward the same 1-litre TSI petrol engine as on the current Rapid model. The new turbo petrol engine produces 108 brake horsepower and 175 Nm of peak torque. It is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a torque converter automatic transmission unit. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.